If you're trying to find a working Hostinger coupon code, this quick Hostinger review will show you the easiest way to save. Hostinger currently offers discounts on all plans, and when you open my link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll unlock an extra 20% discount, plus 3 extra months. In this Hostinger review, the platform stands out for speed and simplicity. You get fast performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder for easy site creation. If prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. Hostinger is often listed as one of the best web hosting services, and every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. So to use the latest Hostinger coupon code, get the extra 20% off and 3 extra months, just tap the link below or scan the QR code.